What is up, guys? It is I, Mr. Graves here, bringing you another video talking about the last year being broke plan. Today I want to get into a few things. If you want to make money online, if basically like the main question I probably get asked, or probably the main concern is, how do you get people to join your business? Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna get logged in, and this is what it takes to get people to see your offer. You have to log in and become a product of the product. You want to learn about what you're doing, learn about what you're pitching, learn about the product, become one with the product. All right, so I'm logged in here. As you can see, I'm still lead lightning the $7 membership. Okay, so you can get this ball rolling at about $7. Okay, so I'm gonna go to here. I'm gonna go to, let's go to e-wallet. All right, so let me see. No, let's not go there. Let's go to my buyers list, and this is my list of this is my personal buyers list, people that have brought the $7 package for me. Okay, so that's about 8 people, using various methods. Yeah, I really wanted to get back into this because I wanted to start. It's a great way to build up your making money online portfolio, and this is what it starts off with: just being a just being a $7 member and becoming a product of the product. Right, and that means also means going into the back office, logging into the training area. As you can see, they have a lot of training here for the lead lightning, just at the one-time $7 membership. Right, and it also takes showing up to the Wednesday night trainings. So the Power Lead system, they have a training session every Wednesday. It's called the I think it's like the Wednesday training session, and this is ran by that same guy. I forgot his name. Guys. They do this every Wednesday. All right, so yeah, you can even go through your contact manager. You can go to email viewers. You can see who's been actually viewing your emails every day. You can keep track of your leads. You can even export into a Microsoft Excel format. But I'm gonna go back to the training here. I'm gonna just skip to about this area. Let's get to the juicy stuff.
To free internet marketing school, affiliate marketing school training, and use your own page. So this is part of the system, right? So that's the training page. That is the Hangout overview, where we're showing on the inside. And with our technology, you can create marketing funnels that just generate leads. Then you go to work, follow up with your leads, and walk them into whatever you want them to see. Or you can use a little more automated funnels that do a lot of the presenting for you 24/7. They do a lot of the product education, the compensation plan education for you affiliate marketers or internet-based network marketers. You can create funnels and model them off of very effective ones that you may have already seen out there already.
Yeah, so basically what he's trying to say, that with this marketing system, the Power Lead system, aka the Lead Lightning, you can use this marketing system to promote any business, whether that be making money online. Preferably it'll be making money online. Let's say you have a little Bitcoin business, or just whatever that you want to get people to make money online. Basically help people to make money online. If you currently are in a program, let me go here. I'm gonna go to quick start. I'm gonna go to how do I get started. All right, and this is the first steps. Okay, so you got referral link A, which promotes lead lightning, and then you got referral link B, and referral link B promotes lead lightning and your primary business. So whatever your primary business is, you can plug that into this marketing system, and it basically puts the marketing on automation for you. So you can have the funnel, as he was just saying. You can create a funnel that basically does all of the selling and telling for you. And it also promotes your online business, your primary business, and lead lightning, aka the power lead system. So you now have two, because before you just had one stream of income. You had one stream with just your primary business. Now you have two streams of income, because you can promote your primary business, and on the back end there are also people who look at your primary business through the power lead system are going to be introduced to the power lead system. So you got two streams of incomes, and that second stream of income is also putting your primary business on automation. Okay, so am not currently in a primary business at the moment. So if you're just like me in that scenario, you can just click referral link A. You show me referral link A. Alright, so as you just seen, I just deleted all my sub domains. So this is the official link. You would get this. You would get the same thing I got right here, except it being just your username right here. My username for the power lead system is last year being broke, but this capture page will be the same. And whenever someone opts in to this page right here, they will be getting a series of automated messages that from through the autoresponder. And that's one thing I also wanted to touch on is don't rely on the autoresponder to do all the selling and telling for you. You want to reach out to these people to a further extent via like YouTube videos or like one-on-one, like direct message them. You don't want the autoresponder doing all the work for you, because if you're someone that opts into the website, you're gonna know that this is an automated message. So it's better just to spice things up a little bit, there's just spice some things up, if you will. And if you have more than $7, I highly recommend that you just go upgrade to the gold membership, because you can also be losing money at the same time too. Hold on. See right here, you just lost the lead lightning commission gold, because if I would have been upgraded, I would have made $20 commission. But with me being at the $7 level, I just got the $7 and not the additional $20 had I had upgraded. So just get in where you fit in. If you only got $7 to work with, just start out with that. If you have a little bit more change in your pocket, then I highly recommend upgrading. So, but just get in where you fit in. That's basically why I'm saying I don't want you to rely on the autoresponder. Just do your own reaching out to the people. Let them know that you're a real person, so they can like and trust you. They can get familiar with you. They can watch your YouTube videos and get guidance from you every time you post videos on YouTube, and just give out value at the same time whenever you post on YouTube. And share your link on social media, of course, on your blogs. Share with your social media, and also just set aside a traffic budget for yourself. I haven't brought traffic in a while, but if you looking to buy traffic, I would highly recommend getting Udemy solo ads. I'm gonna go here. Let's go to my orders. Alright, so around May this year, I purchased some traffic here and there, 200 clicks here, 75 clicks there, So yeah, just set aside a traffic budget for yourself, because it's gonna take a lot of manpower. If you're not buying traffic, it's gonna take a lot more work, a lot more time consuming to basically get your link out there to the people, so you can be able to. It's like an easier way of getting opt-ins and leads to your capture page. Of course, even if you do buy traffic, you're still going to want to make videos, but it's like you're going like 10 times as harder if you're not buying traffic. You have to go harder if you're not buying traffic. So just be in mind, set a traffic budget for yourself, and just slam traffic. Once you start getting opt-ins, once you start getting opt-ins, once you start getting a few sales here and there, that's when you're going to learn your numbers. And then when you learn your numbers, it'll be easier for you to proceed because you know what you're striving for. So let's say you get a sale. Let's say you get like 50 clicks, and within those 50 clicks you get your first sale. So now you have something to start off with. Like, hey, if I for every person that signs up, this amount of people are going to actually join me when they opt in. So you just have more numbers to go by. I will leave this link in the description for you guys to join me at the $7 level of the Lead Lightning. And remember, guys, they have training here for you. You have training YouTube modules, about 10 modules just on YouTube, and you got marketing, things like that. I'm not gonna lie though, like this section as far as like marketing is a bit outdated, possibly. I'm not sure how often they update this portion right here, but if you don't have a YouTube channel, that you can start off the YouTube modules, how to set up your YouTube channel, how to make videos, etc. So just take advantage of the back office, and again, be a product of the product, and really learn what you're doing here. And yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video. If you already in a primary business, you can still use Lead Lightning to help you promote your primary business, setting up not one but just 2 streams of income for yourself. At the same time, you're going to be benefiting from having an automated marketing system to help you with your primary business. Because when you got a primary business, that they don't give you marketing tools like a marketing system. So now that you have one, it make things a lot easier for you, so you can just focus on just creating content, and you can have the marketing system just pump your content in the marketing system, aka the Lead Lightning, and just have the marketing system do most of the work for you, while you're still putting in those man hours of hitting people up every day, getting more people to your website just by just yourself, and not just your marketing system. It's a combo. So with you in the marketing system, it'll give you a lot more leverage to be able to get more sales, reach out to more people in a shorter amount of time, and everything. And you have this system working for you 24/7. So even when you're asleep, you got people learning about your business, learning about the marketing system, learning about your business. Basically the marketing system again does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so that's what I want to talk about here today. I will leave all the links in the description. And also, one more thing about this traffic source: this is an additional stream of income for yourself. So you now have 3 streams of income, and you don't have to pay anything to start earning money from this traffic source. Udemy solo ads, you don't need any money to be able to share your referral link. So go to affiliates here, and as you can see, here's the benefits: 15% off all orders from your referrals. If your referral orders $1,000 worth of clicks, you will receive $150. Okay, so here's your referral link. That will be in the description as well. So prior to you even seeing this video, you only had 1 stream of income, which that would be your primary business. All right, so now you have a marketing tool, which is the Power Lead system, and now you have an additional stream of income with Udemy. So that's, you just added 2 streams of income for yourself, and you can even see who clicks, how often you get clicks to your link here. You know, they give you like who clicks on your links, blah blah blah. You know, so there you go, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, you know, you can reach out to me via email. I will put my Facebook link in the description as well. So thanks for watching, guys. My name is Mr. Graves. Peace out. Have a blessed day. See you on the inside.